Okay, so our next thing that we want to do is to make an online portfolio that looks like this. You'll have your name at the top, you'll have a category for your assignments, your sketchbook, and the class gallery. You only have to worry about the assignments in the sketchbook, which you've already made into presentations. I'll be working on adding any images that people bring to our class gallery folder. I will then add to our presentation and we'll all have that ready for each other. So, here's what you're going to do. You are going to go to your school email. You're going to go to this apps menu and go to sites. Then you are going to go to create. I want you to browse the gallery for more, and I want you to search for class art. And this is a template I made for you. So go ahead and say select. You're going to name your site. Your name, art portfolio. Now, when I do this, it's going to yell at me because I've already made one. That was the template. But I want you to see what happens when it does that. It gives you this little yellow bar up here saying this location is already used by another site. So all I have to do is add to my name. So I'm going to say Jean S's art portfolio, or Jean Steele's. It's up to you. I'm going to do Jean S's because you don't want to give your full name. And go ahead and say create site. And hopefully nobody else has chosen that silly of a name. And it's creating our site, so we're going to be in good shape. Alright, so in this template, I gave you my sketchbook. You don't want my sketchbook. You want your sketchbook and your assignments. So we're on the assignments page. We're going to hit edit. You're going to click on that Google presentation, that gray area, and then you're going to hit the X for remove. And we're going to insert yours. So you go to insert, drive, and presentation. And it should show up here. Find your assignments presentation and click select. So we're going to reverse these checkboxes. We're going to take off the title and the border. We're going to turn on the start and the restart and choose for it to be large because it's the only thing on the page. Save. And then let's center it. Save. It's that easy. Let's go over to Sketchbook. We're going to edit that one. And you are going to, this time it's empty, so you don't have to delete anything. Insert, drive, presentation. And go and look for your sketchbook, because we're on the sketchbook page. Click select. Unclick, unclick, do click, and make it large. Save. And let's make it centered. Save. That's all you have to do to make your online portfolio and your online sketchbook so that other people can see it. The next tutorial will show you how I want you to share this with me and your parents so that we can see what wonderful things you've done this quarter.